Okay, here we see example 2, the square root of 24. So once again, I want to see, does 24 have any factors that are perfect squares? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my y equals. I'm going to type 24. I'm going to have it divided by x, second table, and I'm going to list all my factors. Okay, so I can leave this right here so you can see. I got to get this where I can write it, so I'm going to have to put it off to the side. We have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. I can see 5 does not go in evenly, and 6 is already in my list, so I've got a complete list. So now I want to look, are any of these numbers perfect squares other than 1? Now sometimes you get more than one perfect square in the list, and then you want to take the larger one. So I like to start right here, work down this column, and then up the next column. Okay, and trying to find what's the biggest perfect square. No, 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 no. 4. 4 is the biggest perfect square. And 4 you're going to see used very often. Okay, so I'm going to write this as the square root of 4 times the square root of 6. Always write the perfect square up front. So then when you go to the next step, you're going to take the square root of the first piece. So this, now once again, this step right here has to be shown. If you don't show this step, you're not going to get credit for doing any problem. I'm going to take the square root of 4, which is 2. Bring down the second piece. So this is 2 square root of 6. So once again, as long as this number under the square root does not have any perfect square factors other than 1 and 6 does not, you can type in the problem. You can type in your answer. You should get the same exact decimal every time.